Hi, I'm Caroline Daley. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my bejeweled wool felted heart ornaments. Well, first of all, I start out with Fiberfil, and I usually grab a hunk about the size of 2 hands maybe, and then I will look to where I think there's a point in a shape of a heart I can kind of see in there, and then I will just go ahead and start needle felting my details where the curves of the heart come in, and then I will come to the bottom and I will make a point with my tool, and it's just a repetitive motion, and you're just getting your fibers to hook together with the needle felting tool, and then eventually you will have this kind of loosey-goosey heart. And then I get down and I felt some more, and I'm just going back in and felting all the little pieces in so I have a smooth surface to do my design on. And then it usually shrinks down to about this size, and it's pretty firm, which is great because it will hold on to my things. Well, when I start to add the wool, I want to first go in a horizontal direction, and I lay my wool roving out onto the piece horizontally, and I felt that in, and it stays nicely like that. And then for the next step, you want to use a piece and use it vertically, and this way it strengthens up your felting. So you just go ahead and put that one vertical, and gives it a nice smooth texture so you don't have everything going one direction. And it's also important that the wool fibers can meet each other on a crisscross. So after that, then we can see how I've done both on this one, both horizontal and vertical, and then I'm just going to try to finish off this little top here, and then I can always add more wool in, but a lot of times you can just use your tendrils and fill in a space. And then if it's looking loose, I can always go back with another vertical piece and cross over those horizontal guys for more strength. And then this is what you end up with, is a pretty tight, small heart, but it's ready for you to decorate.